I hope you like this animation that I have created in just few clicks from a static photo, and it's quite easy to do. So let me show you how, with a combination of the latest AI tools and animations, you can animate most of your photos in Canva. So open Canva and start a new project. Now upload any photo you want to animate. Just remember, the best results are achieved with photos that have one main object that can be separated from the background. I have selected this one image of a young woman drinking from a bottle. Now, all I need to do is click on the photo, then go to the upper menu and select Edit Photo or Edit Image option. Here in the Magic Studio section, I need to find the Magic Grab feature, which is a paid feature, and click on it. Once done, the AI will detect the main object in the photo and offer you two options, brush and click. I prefer using the click option, which allows me to click on the object I want to separate from the background, and the AI does the rest. When I click on the object and then click the grab button, the AI performs the task. So now the woman is separated from the background and I can animate both of these layers. First, click on the woman and click the animate option in the upper menu. Now in the left sidebar, you have multiple animations you can use. For this image, I like to use the breathe animation. Adjust the scale to maximum and select the out option. In the same way, I will animate the background. Click on the background, select Animate, choose the breathe animation, adjust the scale, and select the out option. To see the results, simply click the play button in the upper menu and observe what we have accomplished. While it's just a simple animation, it's interesting to see that you can make a static photo move and create an engaging short animation from it. So, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions, use the comment section and I will try to reply.